Hello and welcome back. In this video I'm going to share you how to research keyword for Google Ads using most powerful tools of Google Keyword Planner. So before run a Google search ad campaign, you need to research keyword. It is so important because when you run Google ad, you pay every click for Google. So you have to research keyword and find out what is your targeted keyword. Find out what the search volume, what the competition level, and the cost per click or CPC rate. So you have to research and find out low competition, low CPC, and great search volume. So when you research keyword, you have to analyze some important data. You have to find out search intent. You have to find out relevance of keyword. You have to, when you select any keyword, if your business is commercial, then you have to select transactional keyword, not informational keyword. You have to avoid informational keyword, and must you have to analyze his competitor. Okay, so identifying competing keyword and use auction site. I will show you how to use auction site. Implement keywords. Ad group structure. When you research keyword, then you can create multiple ad group based on the relevance, and based on the ad group you can write completing ad copy. And using keywords, you have to write ad copy. Okay, so this is keyword. So let's go. We are going to research keyword. At first we need to go our Google Keywords Planner. Okay, so you have to log in your Google Ads account very easily, and then if you go to the tools option, here you can found share library and planning. In the under planning you will get keyword planner. Just click this one. Here you can see this one, new keywords, get search volume, organize keywords into ad group. So I will select this keyword, new keyword. Here is a two option. One option is starts with keywords, starts with website. So I would like to start my website. So here is my website URL. I just paste here. I will paste here and get all the keyword. So get a result. Just wait a second, and here you can see I already Google give already 386 keyword. So you can look the keyword average monthly search volume, 3-month change, year-to-year change, competition, ad impression, top of the page, range, account status, and you can evaluate all the value, and you can also refine the keyword, but there has a nothing to refine. So these are the keyword. So you can choose which keyword is transactional keyword. You have to check manually, then you can download this keyword. Okay, suppose here you can see this keyword is good, then you can add to create a plan. Okay, so I personally use select all keyword. I personally select all keyword and add to keyword planner. when it add to create planning, then I download all the keyword. After downloading Google Sheet, I manually review all keyword to take time, because keyword selection is so much important before running a campaign, because it is playing with dollar. So you have to select keyword very carefully, then you have to run keyword. So you should give time on keyword research. So hopefully you understand why keyword research is so much important. So already keyword is download. I just open Google Sheet. Here you can see all the keyword. Just manually check, manually review, and then you can buy the keyword. And when you run ad campaign, then you should select phrase message keyword. Okay, and you should know about what is broad mesh, what is phase mesh, what is exact mesh. Then you should run Google ad campaign. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, you can ask me, and if you need any services, let me contact on my WhatsApp number. Thank you so much.